Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, my new issue ACCA classes. In today's video, I will explain how to claim performance objective if you are working in the approved employer organization. Right, so for approved employer case, how we can claim the performance objective. So it's very simple. If you are working in the approved employer organization, so while adding a supervisor details to your ACCA portal, so there you will find a form which is shared over my screen, that is the approved employer PER confirmation form. So this form will be downloaded from there. If you don't get, do let me know. I will record a separate video for the same. So once you will download this form, it will be look something like this, and you need to fulfill the details. Like, if we talk about in the first section here, your detail will be required, like your full name, your email address that you have been submitted to ACCA, and your ACCA registration number, your DOB that is filed in the document with the ACCA, right? So your organization name that you are working, and your organization approved employer number, then your job title, and the employment date from to, and month in the relevant role, the number of month that you have been worked, and percentage relevance of role. So as we are working 8 hours 9 hours, it will be 100%. And your employer address, you will have to fulfill over here, and the level of approval like gold, platinum, silver, whatever the status they have been achieved, means our employer organization have been achieved in which we are working, that need to be fulfilled in this box. And in the second section, they will ask you ACCA approved employer details. So here, the full name of your supervisor, who are monitoring your performance during the whole period, his or her name should be here. And if he is ACCA or FCCA, in that case, ACC registration number if applicable, and the job title, the qualification, of course it will be CA or ACCA, right? So but of our employer, not of us, this detail should be of the employer, and their email address, and your relationship with the trainee, and their signature. It is very important to have a signature here, and this is fulfilled by the filled by the employer, right? And in second box, it's the same, but like if you work in the more than one organization where you have been this fulfill this objective details, in that case, the second employer details is required to be fulfilled. And in the third section, it's very important now. So here there are 22 objective listed out, right? But you can see there are two sections, essential and the technical. So essential means that these five you need to be completed anyhow, and in the technical one you can choose for any four, because there are 9 performance objective that we need to fulfill. 5 is the essential and 4 is the from technical. So whatever the performance objective that you have been completed, you just need the signature of your employer and the date at which you fulfill it out, right? It's quite simple now. So this will not happen in case of non-approved partner. So in that case, we need to write it down, the objective in the paragraph. That's a different case, but this video and this form is applicable for the approved employer case, right? And once they will do this, then in the below of the same page, it required the name of the employer and their signature along with the date. That's it. And once you have completed this form, you need to scan this document and need to send it out to ACCA at this email, info@accglobal.com. So they will once you will send the mail to the ACCA by scanning this document, they will review and ensure that every information that you have been provided is correct. They will update the performance objective in your portal. It's quite simple, right? So this is all about to claiming regarding the performance objective. I hope this video found you to be useful. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it among your friends in case of more updates like this, right? Thank you so much guys. Have a good day.